Hello beautiful people! In this video, I'll be taking you inside 3 prominent sites featured in the 2025 edition of Doors Open Toronto. Come along as I tour the historic Legislative Building of Ontario, head up the 54th floor of the Toronto Dominion Centre, and explore OCAD University's main campus. Our first stop is Ontario's Legislative Building, the headquarters of the Ontario government, located at Queen's Park in downtown Toronto. It opened in 1893 after 6 years of construction. The west wing of the building is covered in Italian marble, has a stained glass ceiling with the Ontario coat of arms, and historical exhibits on its main floor. You'll also find paintings from the provincial government's art collection. After a fire in 1909, this part of the building was redesigned by Edward James Lennox, the same architect of Old City Hall and Casa Loma. The east wing features the original hallway architecture designed by Richard Waite, with iron columns and walls lined with oak paneling. Here, you'll also see portraits of former Ontario premiers. The offices of the current premier and speaker can be found in this part of the Legislative Building. The main level offers exhibits about the province, which has a huge block of nickel on display. Adorned with beautiful wood carvings made from mahogany and sycamore, the Legislative Chamber is the meeting place of the Legislative Assembly of Ontario. It is also where the province's laws are made and debates take place. The Speaker of the House sits at the front chair. The government members of provincial parliament or government MPPs are always seated on the right side of the Speaker, while the opposition MPPs sit on the left. The building's lobby features the grand staircase, which takes you to the entrance of the Legislative Library. The lobby also has on display both of Ontario's first and current mace, symbolizing permission from the King or Queen for the Parliament to assemble, as well as the authority of the Speaker to oversee the legislature. The next Doors Open site I visited was the Toronto Dominion Centre in the Financial District. The TD Centre is the global headquarters for the Toronto Dominion Bank and was built in collaboration between TD Bank and Cadillac Fairview. It features a modern design, offers both office and retail space, and consists of 6 skyscrapers covered in glass and black painted steel. The tallest of the 6 is the TD Tower. During Doors Open, the public has the opportunity to go up the 54th floor of the TD Tower, which is the executive floor of TD Bank. The TD Tower's elevator is the second fastest elevator in Toronto after the CN Tower. When we got to the 54th floor, we immediately went to look out the windows and saw Toronto from a whole new perspective. These views are truly breathtaking. The 54th floor had been preserved as it was in the 1960s and is minimalist in design. The boardroom has a long table of over 30 feet long, made of English brown oak from Hampshire, England. Since of the large size and heavy weight of the table's pieces, they had to be craned up into the 54th floor before the glass windows were installed. The last doors open site I'll be exploring is OCAD University's main campus in downtown. Formerly known as Ontario College of Art and Design, OCAD University is Canada's oldest, largest, and leading art and design university that has been around since 1876. This fancy building here is the university's iconic Rosalie Sharp Center for Design, which was constructed in 2004. Later, we'll be checking out what's up there. Inside the main building, many artists were showcasing and selling their artwork during the Doors Open event. This staircase is covered in graffiti and murals. It takes you up to the tabletop building and is definitely quite an exercise. So, if you're ever wondering what's up the tabletop building, this is it. It seems it offers a space for students to study and work on their art projects. Here's what you'll see out the window. It gives you a view of Grange Park. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like and share. If you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe and turn on your notifications for more videos like this. Bye for now, and I'll see you on the next video.